Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Chef Buddy. Now we are going to make a special dish called French toast. The main ingredients of this dish are bread and eggs. So before watching this video, please subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon for instant notifications of our latest videos. Like this video and share to your friends. The other ingredients which are required for making French toast are ghee, jaggery or brown sugar, cinnamon. Now take a bowl, break egg into it. Add 3/4 spoon of cinnamon, and 2 spoons of brown sugar. Now mix well all the ingredients so that we can make a French toast. Now it got mixed up. Take a pan on the stove. Add ghee to the pan. You can also add butter. It's up to you, your choice. But I like to use ghee. Now it is enough hot to fry the bread. I took multigrain bread. Put the bread first. Then add the mixture what we made before. To that now spread this on the bread. Lift bread little so that the let it cook for 2 minutes. Now flip it over. It's ready now. That's it. It's ready now. You can serve it into the plate. Look at this. Garnish with cinnamon powder.